Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. So just about to take you on a short walk round tour of a new stock item that we have in our used range of a Swift Challenger 580 2017. So here is a good look at that particular caravan in fantastic condition and extremely well looked after by the previous owners. As we come down the side of the caravan, you've got an exterior barbecue point. You have a side access hatch to underneath the front couches. Also an exterior 240 volt socket and that wonderful Challenger logo going down the side of the caravan. You've got a fantastic carbon fibre front locker box there, really offsetting and making this caravan look fantastic against that white finish. No motor mover on this particular model that you see underneath there, but you have got a side access hatch to underneath that transverse island bed. So stepping inside the caravan, the first thing you see is a nice medium-sized under-counter Dometic fridge. Generous-sized kitchen work surface with work surface extension. You have 3 gas hob burners and 1 electric in a combination oven and grill with pan storage underneath. Cutlery drawer and further storage in the kitchen area. An easy usable height microwave and a wonderful finish on the cabinetry. Gloss locker finish going towards the front, and you've got these beautiful pleated blinds. Panoramic sunroof at the front, letting a huge amount of light in, creating a fantastic feeling of space, and a generous sized Heki light as well. Fabric scheme finish that you see for the Challenger range in 2017. Wonderful finish, highly durable and high quality finish. You have got a PIR sensor for the alarm located down there with that green light on it. 2 240 volt sockets at the front with a short pull out chest and also drawers there for further storage. Your main control centre located above the habitation door, Swift Command introduced in 2017 and also benefiting from the Alder wet central heating. Your first television point in this caravan is located here to be able to watch from the lounge area with further storage underneath and also a vanity mirror and small shelf to the top right. So stepping towards the rear of the caravan into the bedroom, we've got the transverse island bed. So first thing you've got is this wonderfully tall and large wardrobe, storage underneath. That knuckle that you see at the back there drops down to create the extension for the bed during the night position. And this is currently the bed in the day position with plenty of space to be able to move round the edge of the bed. The gloss locker effect going through to the bedroom area with also a nice medium-sized Heki light again, creating a fantastic feeling of space and allowing light to come in the caravan. You've also got a further television point located here in the bedroom area, just below a cupboard with further vanity mirror, and then the matching sideboards on the window there to match this wonderful fabric scheme. A very generous sized shower cubicle with water saving shower head. High quality of finish on the sink with storage underneath and also an Alder heater inside the kitchen area. You have the 2-lay bike rack fixing, so if a bike rack's a consideration for you, Swift being the absolute right way to go, being able to pop that on the back. Further storage in a cupboard and shelves located above the Thetford toilet. So that gives you a real good feeling, a good understanding for what this Challenger 580 2017 has to offer. I hope you've enjoyed the walk round tour. If you have any queries or questions, please feel free to contact me and I'll be more than happy to help you. I hope we can do business together. Bye bye now.